In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock into QuickBooks Time, an essential step for anyone using the platform to track work hours efficiently. QuickBooks Time is a handy tool that simplifies the process of managing your time and attendance, making it easier for both employees and managers. Let's dive into the process and get you clocked in quickly. First things first, you'll need to sign into the platform. So head over to the QuickBooks Time website where you'll find the sign in option prominently displayed on the homepage. This is your entry point where all the magic happens. Click on the sign in button to start the process. Once you're at the login prompt, you'll be presented with a few options. Here, make sure to choose QuickBooks Time as your service. This ensures that you're logging into the correct part of Intuit's platform, aimed specifically at tracking time. Now comes the point where you need to enter your credentials. These are typically your email and password. Carefully type in these details, making sure to double check for any typing errors. Everyone forgets their password from time to time, so if you need a reminder, the forgot password option will guide you through resetting it. Once you've entered your information, click continue, which will lead you into your account. After you've successfully signed in, your next step is to navigate to the time clock section. This is where you will begin actually tracking your work hours. You can do this by looking for a button labeled time clock. Remember, for ease of use, once you've used QuickBooks Time a few times, navigating to this button will become a faster and smoother process. On the time clock page, you'll want to select the job you are clocking in for. You could be working on several different tasks, and it's important to select the right one to ensure your hours are recorded accurately against the correct job or project. This can help you, your team, and your managers stay organized. Finally, once you have selected the right job, you simply need to click on Clock In. This action officially records your start time for the selected work assignment. Making sure you clock in and out accurately means you're tracking your work time correctly, which is crucial for both payroll accuracy and personal accountability. There you have it, you're successfully clocked into QuickBooks Time. With these steps firmly at your grasp, you can ensure seamless and efficient start times for your work. Whether you're an employee starting your shift or a manager overseeing project hours, QuickBooks Time makes time tracking straightforward and efficient. Thanks for tuning in and happy clocking.